Well, I can't think of another facility in this country that has more expertise than right here at Lazydays.
And care. I mean, they really, I wasn't here, so Deborah's here. She's working with Mike Finelli. He is doing everything he can. He understands the timeline that we're working on. And at the same time, he's like, I'm not gonna let this out of here until I know you're gonna be safe.
And they also have classes, which I enjoy. Sitting at the different classes that they have up at the store where you can sit and they have experts come and explain the different things to you. You can look at the list and see what you're interested in and what you might want to learn about or something, and they start from the beginning and teach you one-on-one. You can ask questions. You could, they just explain RVing to you or things that relate to RVing from the bottom to the top.
The reason I go here is due to the quantity of product they have to look at versus other dealers, which might have 4 or 5 Type A or Type A gas, Type A diesel buses. In our world, we like to look at everything prior to buying instead of buying blindly or ordering. Here you come, they may have 40 or 50 Class A diesels to look at versus other dealers might have 5 or 6.
So one of the best parts about actually getting an RV at Lazydays is you get a little benefit package as well. And a lot of people, I don't know if they look all the way through it, but we got 14 days free stay at an Encore RV on the Go site. And so when we were out in the Tucson area, we were able to use that while we were actually getting our rig looked at by Lazydays Tucson. So it was absolutely a win-win situation all the way around.
Oh Lord, you got a huge service center. And its capabilities, I mean, we've got a friend that bought a motorhome here, and they took her cabinet out and cut her a special door in it for her. And they did a lot of custom work for us too, especially on the fifth wheel. They built out we call that harness, so it would hold the curtains, and they've done a lot. They can do anything you want.
We were very impressed with the RV selection at Lazydays compared to what we've seen out there, and the quality of them, and the manufacturers that you have, and the variety that you have. It was impressive.
Everybody's so nice.
Mm-hmm.